Usually when a system breaks down, there's smoke.
Oh, yeah, like a literal fire.
Right. Alarms blare. A literal engine blows a gasket. You expect a flashing red light telling you right there that something is catastrophically wrong.
Exactly.
But when your leadership system breaks down, it is completely silent. Your calendar just turns into an absolute battlefield.
The total battlefield.
Today, we are pulling from this really fascinating excerpt. It's called The Architect of Clarity, Scaling Through Systems. And we're doing a deep dive into why working harder and faster is, well, it's actually the worst possible way to fix a chaotic team.
It really is. It's a compelling look at the limits of human endurance in the modern workplace.
Our mission today is to help you, yes, you listening to this right now, stop reacting to the endless exhaustion of your work life. We want to help you start designing a structure that actually scales. Okay, let's unpack this. Because the author points out that this breakdown, it doesn't happen overnight. It creeps up on you.
Yeah, the text calls it an incredibly insidious process. I mean, we aren't talking about inbox zero here or, a new way to color code your calendar.
Right.
We are talking about a fundamental tectonic shift in how we understand leadership mechanics at scale. And it starts so small.
Picture this scenario, because the author paints it so vividly, and I bet you listening have felt this exact dread. You sit down at your desk,
Uh-huh.
you open your laptop,
Hmm.
and suddenly your inbox is no longer just an inbox.
Mm.
It is completely mutated into this chaotic, fragmented project dashboard.
Oh, it's the worst feeling.
Every 30-minute slot on your schedule is contested territory. You aren't doing deep work. You're just fighting to survive until 5 p.m.
Exactly. And like the text says, it starts with just, one team asking for a quick update on a Friday.
Just a quick question.
Right, just a quick question. Then another person needs a tiny approval on a minor design flaw.
Yeah.
Before you know it, a third person is waiting on a decision you genuinely thought you finalized last Tuesday.
It's the quote-unquote death by 1,000 paper cuts phase of management.
Yes, that is exactly what it is.
But the crazy part is that, to anyone looking from the outside, the text notes that everything looks under control.
What's fascinating here is the deceptive psychology of this breakdown. Leaders consistently mistake busyness for effectiveness.
Oh, wow. Yeah, because you are answering the emails.
Right.
You are attending the meetings. You look like a highly productive executive.
But your day is entirely composed of unyielding reaction. You are moving fast, you're resolving tiny crises, so your brain gets a hit of dopamine.
You feel productive.
You feel incredibly productive.
Yeah.
But the text explicitly points out the true symptoms of a failing system. Meetings start to multiply to cover communication gaps.
Spreadsheets are just scattered across different departmental drives.
Exactly. And priorities seem to shift based on whoever yelled the loudest that morning. Everyone around you is typing furiously. They were on back-to-back calls.